Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if you are getting the message you reached a payment limit of 20% to person payments in 24 hours, then don't worry. In today's video, I'll explain why this problem happens and how you can fix it easily on apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm. So, make sure to watch the video till the end. So, first of all, let's understand why this error appears. So, most UPI apps and banks have a daily transaction limit for security reasons, and if you send money to too many people within 24 hours, then system temporarily blocks further person to person payments. Usually this happens after completing around 20 transactions in a single day. Now let's talk about the solutions. So solution number 1, wait for 24 hours. This is the most important step, and the payment limit automatically reset after 24 hours from your first transaction. Once the time period is completed, you should be able to send payments again normally. Solution number 2, restart your app and phone. Sometimes the app does not refresh the transaction status properly. Simply close the app completely, restart your phone, and open the app again. Solution number 3, clear app cache. For this, go to the settings, open app, select your payment app like Google Pay or PhonePe, then tap on storage and click clear cache. After that, reopen the app and try again. Solution number 4, check your bank server status. Sometimes the issue is not from the bank, not from the app, but from your bank server. If the bank server are down or under maintenance, UPI transactions may fail temporarily. Solution number 5, avoid sending multiple small payments. If you send many small transactions continuously to the different peoples, the system may detect unusual activity and temporarily limit your payments. Try combining payments whenever possible. Solution number 6, update your payment app. Make sure you are using the latest version of UPI app from the Play Store or App Store. Old versions can sometimes cause transactions error. And finally, if the problem still continues even after 24 hours, contact your bank customer support or the support team of your payment app. So yes guys, that's how you can fix the problem. And yeah, and if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.